Are you sure you won?
Oh my god.
What?
Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. I am Adam.
I'm Jazz.
And we're back here at the DCA. And we're going to do some pin trading, of course. So right now it's kind of cold, not going to lie.
Really, really cold.
So I'm only going to say this one time. It's freaking cold.
No, it's like 50 degrees.
So-
and it's like 9 o'clock. We got here really, really late.
I had to button up the flannel, so that's how you know it's cold. But anyway, so yeah, we're going to do some pin trading real fast. Just won my fantasy football matchup, so I'm really excited. I was stressing. I wouldn't even leave the car until I knew that we won. Anyway. Well, yeah, other than that, we're here to have a good time. Here to bring you guys some good content, maybe. And should we get that? And let's go. You guys have a trivia question as well? Okay, no worries. Thank you. I'm back on my trivia grind. These are the pins that we brought today to trade on the boards, and these are the trivia ones. So, we'll see. Nah, not tonight. Do you have any trivia pins?
No, I don't.
Okay, no worries.
Thank you.
Thank you.
For some trivia.
Yeah, actually, yeah.
Now, would you like to do one off the pamphlet, or would you like to do one of my personal ones?
I'll do a personal one, please.
Bet. Name 10 Disney or Pixar or even real-life adaptation movies with a single word of title with the main character's name in it. Just know, if you say a movie that has more than one word in it or is not the main character's name, it'll count as an X.
Okay.
You have up to
Don't do
3
that.
chances.
Think
Okay.
before you say it.
Aladdin,
That's 1.
Dumbo,
That's 2.
Cinderella.
That's 3.
No, don't say that. It's not.
And remember, Disney, Pixar, or real-life adaptations count. Just know you cannot repeat the same movie twice.
Bambi,
That's 4.
Mulan,
That's 5.
Tarzan.
That's 6. 4 more to go. You can do it!
Right.
All right, we got it right.
Yeah.
Thank you for the question.
Thank you so much.
All right, so that one was kind of crazy. I actually cut off like the last like couple of minutes.
way
I was
too
just like trying to think so much. But so like we said Dumbo, Tarzan, Mulan,
Thor, Moana. I forgot. But,
I don't know, Pinocchio.
but if you didn't hear the question, it was name
10
10
movies.
movie
That could be
characters.
that have like a.
the name of the main
name.
character as the title.
It can't be more than 2, so it was only one name.
This is what we got.
That was a very hard
I
question.
didn't have this one, so that was really exciting.
See anything on this one?
No.
Not today. All right.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. You don't have any trivia questions, right?
We do. We don't have any pins, trivia pins right now.
Yeah. Okay, no worries. All right, so me and Jazz just hopped over to Disneyland. We're going to continue the pin trading over here. But I just wanted to say that right here at the Disneyana store, as of December 11th, they still do have the Wish posters. So you can go ahead and grab those if you're a Magic Key holder. And go get you one.
So it's like 10, almost 10:30 right now, but I love when Disneyland is like this, like after the fireworks, you can actually walk around. It's really nice.
It's really nice right now.
Yeah.
See, if somebody's taking a picture.
Yeah, you got some good stuff here.
No,
right.
we're trying.
Yeah,
We're
no, I
trying.
appreciate it. Definitely. This one, I don't see anything. No. All right, guys. So you know I love showing you guys the books, and this one I want to show off today. It's the official A to Z Encyclopedia 6th edition. It's a thick book for sure.
Let's find Cheshire. Oh wait, there's no pictures.
There you go. So it's like see
Cadet Kelly. It's literally everything.
every character, all
Camp Rock.
all the movies, the rides, all this stuff. Pretty cool. I can't really say it has like a lot of pictures. It looks like a lot of reading,
Pictures on them.
but it's still cool. I mean, it's like an official
Like you want to talk about like there's your show. That's one
Boy
of
Meets
Adam's
World.
favorite
Oh my
shows.
God, Boy Meets World. You guys, come on, you guys remember Boy Meets?
Speaking of Disney Channel,
Yeah.
I'm trying to go to Disney Channel night. so-
Tomorrow. Well, by the
So
time you
you'll-
see this.
Hopefully we have tickets or we don't. I don't know.
But yeah, guys, this is pretty cool. How much is it in the back? So
$50.
$50. It's a little expensive. But I also did see that they have this on Amazon as well. So if you guys wanted to get it and you're not able to come to the parks, check Amazon.
Was it the same price?
No, I think it was cheaper actually.
Okay.
How's it going?
Pretty good yourself?
I'm good.
Are these new?
Yes, they are.
They're water bottle holders?
Yeah, they're water bottle holders. They're cute. I think they're cute anyways.
Pretty
Yeah,
cool.
they're selling, these and the crossbodies are selling really fast today. They just came out today.
Oh my god.
And the Eeyore one.
Yeah.
That one's really cool.
Oh my, it's so cute.
Nice. All right, guys. So over here at the Star Trader store, they have a bunch of the new 2024 merch. So right here, they have this Loungefly. It's pretty cool. I'm not a fan of the year, to be honest. But if you get one that barely has the year, then you'll be fine. But they also have this shirt. I guess the theme for this year is like translucent and like fun. It's really cool and fun. And they have the super bendy straw, the silly straws, the truck for the kid or person or a person.
I really like this hoodie.
This hoodie is really cool as well.
There's a little Dumbo here.
It has a Dumbo, has a Buzz, has Tinkerbell, has Orange Bird, and I'm not familiar with that one. Who's that one? Maybe Pepita? No, Pepita.
Parrot.
Oh, Parrot. Maybe Yago, I don't know.
Or one of the tiki room, I don't know.
And then they also have this like random softball, baseball, but it's kind of cool. They have the magnet, of course. They have the medallion collector's book. So I'm assuming they're going to come out with more. This bag, if you haven't seen this bag yet. They have this shirt, the Mickey, and of course the Starbucks tumbler that we showed you. All right, and then this.
I really like this shirt.
This shirt is really cool as well. Black tie-dye. Ranges from extra small to 3X, I believe. Yeah, I see 3X.
Look at this soap. We have the 2023 ones.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, and on the side it has all the little...
So that's a pretty cool design. It's a citrus scented,
I
translucent.
like the square shape of it.
Mm-hmm. It's really nice.
And it comes out as a Mickey. That's the best part.
And a beach towel, I think.
Yeah, it is.
Okay. Cool. Oh, yeah.
You got 30 seconds to answer the question, okay?
Okay.
What year did Space Mountain open?
1987.
Final answer?
Yeah. I mean, no, I'm not positive, but yeah.
Pick something else.
Can she get a separate answer to you?
Together, you guys answer.
Okay. I'm gonna say 87 still.
Fine.
What was the year?
1987.
Yeah?
Yeah.
No.
No. Yeah. No. I knew that.
Continue with that.
What was yours?
82.
No.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay, it's all right.
A trivia question was kind of hard, low-key. I didn't know which year Space Mountain opened, but apparently the answer is 1977. I guessed 87, so 10 years off. So over here at the Star Trader store, we were looking around, and I saw this booster pin set. It has the droids, has BB-8, R2-D2, an R2 Series 1, and a C1 Series. Pretty cool. They retail for $34.99. Not bad. Pretty good sized pins, and they're heavy. Down bad. Early Oaks.
And over at the end, Marie, Toulouse, and Berlioz. Make some noise for your awesome dance host, Laura.
Good night. Good night. I think a decent pro tip, if you guys wanted to check out the holiday dance party, is to go after the fireworks because it's like way less people. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Right.
Look at that brush.
Okay, so I don't remember if they actually included this in Toy Story 4. I'm sure they did, but I just never noticed it or anything like that. Or even Toy Story 3. But
Would she etch his name off and then put Bonnie instead?
do you remember that? I really don't remember that.
I don't know.
But yeah, right here on this Buzz plush, it says Bonnie instead of Andy.
But
Pretty cool detail.
Bullseye still says Andy. Did he go to Bonnie? They all did, right?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure. right, so we don't really show magic bands, but lately they've been coming out with some pretty good ones. And this one
cute.
is pretty cool. They had the Pixar ones as a Panda May,
Lotso, Buttercup. Forgot their name. Bunny and
Rabbit or something,
No,
or Chicken.
no.
I don't know.
Chicken.
But yeah.
Anyways, yeah.
It has yeah, those characters.
Pixar.
Okay.
Sully. Yeah.
Pretty cool.
And oh my God, what's that name?
Inside Out, Bing Bong, Bing
There
Bong,
you
Bing
go, there you go.
Bong.
This one is
On the bottom. It is Slate.
$44.99.
And also, I don't know if we show this one at all, but this one's really cute as well. Panda May. I don't know the exact date, but I do know that they're gonna show Turning Red, Soul, and Luca in theaters, because I believe those were Disney Plus exclusives. But we're for sure excited to see Turning Red in theaters this time instead of our home. Nothing on this one either. All right.
This is the most like filled board I've seen this board in a while, but
Unfortunately, not today. All right, guys, in a rare occurrence, Big Thunder says 10 minutes. Doesn't look like it's about to be 10 minutes, but we're definitely still willing to go. She's holding my hand.
I always do.
I asked to sit near the back for Big Thunder, and the cast member said, give him $100, so I did, and here we are. Best ride, hands down, at Disneyland. Sit in the back, Big Thunder, if you know, you know. Best ride here.
It was freezing. Like
It was
going
kinda
so
cold.
fast, my cheeks were freezing.
We like came out of the seats too. Whoa! I was like, whoa! All right, so Jazz and I are walking through Frontierland real quick on our way out. And, you know, it's just kind of sad, man, honestly, just looking at all these tables just empty. They have one bench there.
That no one's sitting
There's
on.
no one sitting on. And it's just completely dead over here at Frontierland. Over here, like, we just used to be hanging out here. Some people would barely be pulling up right now just to trade. And, no, I mean, like, back in the day, like when we would be here.
I was
like
it's
people.
11:40.
No, I'm saying, yeah. But anyways, shout out to the Ewok family. We just ran into them randomly, and we're just reminiscing.
Because we don't really see anybody anymore because
Yeah.
yeah.
Tight. All right, guys, so I didn't get a chance to show you guys in the stores, but they do have a new box, a mystery pin box. And right here, these are the options. Let's see.
I really want the Haunted Mansion.
That one's really cool. Them in the Doom Buggy. It looks like an attractions box.
Yeah, what is it called? Play in the park.
Yeah, play in the park. That's what we like to do. So, go ahead, Jazz. All right, so it's the standard 2-pack.
Oh my God!
Nice, very first one.
And I almost put this box back, and I was like, maybe I should pick a different, but didn't want to second guess. Oh, look how cute that is.
Yeah, that's really nice. I really like the colors on this one. Hell yeah.
Next one.
The flash might be a little too intense, like watching out the color, but no, it's okay. I'll probably show you guys in a different light in a little bit.
And these were $20.
Yeah,
Not
20
30,
bucks.
so-
We love these prices, honestly. So let's see this one. This one is Minnie. Nice. Minnie, and Daisy.
Oh, that's actually really cute. Is that a bubble wand? Or something, yeah.
They're playing in the park. Hell yeah. I'll try the trivia pin. Why not?
What's your favorite Disney movie?
Toy Story.
Can you name 4 of the Toy Story characters?
Buzz, Woody, Slinky, and Ham. Nice. For that one, I think I'm okay on that one. But I appreciate it.
No, yeah.
All right, guys. So that's it. That's the haul for today. And honestly, these pins are pretty quality. I know I've said this a few times already, but this is definitely one of the best hauls we've gotten in a while. Definitely quality over quantity type thing. And so these are the ones we found on the boards. I did end up going back to that board on Main Street, the one outside 20th Century, because that guy just enforces like better pins. So I appreciate that. And these are the 2 that we ended up buying as well. Really cool box.
I'm really happy with that one. The
Definitely.
Haunted Mansion one.
No, yeah, that's probably the best one from that box. But yeah, guys, let us know how we did. All right, guys, so that concludes our trip here for today at Disneyland and DCA. We had a pretty good time. We found some pretty decent pins. Got on Big Thunder, classic ride. And
It didn't seem that packed. Well, again, we didn't get here till like almost 9, so I don't know, maybe that's the way to go.
yeah, I don't know. I'm not gonna lie though, like we've been doing our outros in our car because it's pretty cold.
It's freezing.
It's like
outside.
52 degrees right now. So I'm like, let's just go in here. And sometimes when we're up here at the very top of the structure,
it's 50 degrees right now.
It gets windy, so like muffles everything. But yeah, anyways, so we're just already about to leave. We ran into the Ewok family. Appreciate you guys.
Good seeing you guys.
Love talking to you guys. And that's pretty much it. I mean,
and a lot of like random new things dropped. Like that pin box. That booster set you found.
Oh yeah, and yeah, just a bunch of the 2024 merch as well. So that's always cool to see. I really can't wait to see what else they come up with the next year. Well, the coming year.
It's gonna be a good pin year. I know it. I'm excited.
We're excited to bring you guys those videos as well. But yeah, guys, if you're brand new here, please do leave a like, comment, and or subscribe if you haven't. And follow us on Instagram at
Adam Chris Pins with a Z.
With the Z. It's the most important part. And that's pretty much it, guys.